few words about the greenology concept here at Axjo.
Well, Axjo's greenology concept is very, very simple. We take the customer's recycled plastic, we actually put it through our own processes, and we can actually convert the carbon capture into certificates that we supply back to the customers to help them with their sustainability programs.
The recycled content of your products, 100%?
100% in every way. Axjo uses 100% post-consumer and post-industrial waste for our products.
What are the typical materials that go in? I know you use polypropylene. What else are you using?
95% of our products are polyolefins, polypropylene, polyethylene, or a mixture of both. 5% of our materials that we use are more styrenics, ABS, high impact polystyrene and polystyrene.
You use Whitman machinery and equipment throughout the plant. I know your headquarters in Sweden uses Whitman equipment.
We do.
Here we are in the USA and you're using it here as well. What would you say some of the advantages are of working with the Whitman machinery and equipment?
Common platform, because the Whitmans use a common interface for control purposes. It makes it very easy to train our new techs on the capability of the machinery. So no matter if it's shift to shift variation in our capability from a knowledge standpoint, the platform is there that makes it very easy to have that common language across all the shifts and all the machines, irrespective of tonnage or series of machine. So very, very good that way.
And as we go forward, I know the company is growing. You had 40% growth just in 2021.
Yeah.
You're going to go towards Industry 4.0. You mentioned being lights out by 2023.
Yep.
Anything you'd like to say about that growth and about using the machinery for 4.0 capabilities?
Well, the automation of our products is very, very important to us. It optimizes profit potential, it optimizes consistency, and our aspirations are for a total lights out scenario. The true potential of that is limited at this point in time as we grow and understand our capabilities and process capabilities.